How to tag everyone in a Facebook group. So first is you have to go to your Facebook application and open your Facebook group account. So let's say this one, I am an admin to a specific Facebook page. And then let's say on the bottom part, you will see the three dash lines there, your menu. Just tap on that. And then here you'll see this. And then here on your shortcuts, you'll see groups. Just tap on groups there. And then on the upper part, you'll see these four different sections such as for you, your groups, events, and discover. Just tap on your groups. And then here, groups you manage. Just tap on here and then it will lead you to your public group or your group page. Now, to be able to tag everyone is all you have to do is to create post. So here you will see write something, just tap on that and then you will be able to choose a design or a background for your message. Let's say like here. And then if you tap on at here, you will see everyone. So you can mention everyone once a day and everyone means all the people who are actually a member in the group. Just tap on everyone and then just post there, and basically that is how you tag everyone in a Facebook group. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.